All right, I got the SEEKONE heat gun. I love heat guns. I do. I always have a couple of these at the house. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. Let's open this up, take a look, see what we got in here. Looking forward to this. I love heat guns. All right, right off the bat, we got some extra nozzles in there. 4 extra nozzles that we can attach to the end of this for directional purposes. Comes packaged nicely, a nice box, nice appearance when you get it. We have a user manual, some warnings on there, and some product specs in case you want to go through that. Me, I'm a heat gun expert. So here we go, these tips. They just fit on the end here. So these are a little bit pliable, so you might have to pry them out to put them on, but these tips fit on the end here, very nice. The cable itself is going to be about, I think it's about a 4 foot cable, 5 foot cable maybe. Looks like we have 2 different speeds, like a low and high setting on here. And one of the cool features I like on here is it has an adjustable variable temperature on here. You can change the temperature from low to high. Pretty cool. So 18 watt, it has a nice ergonomic feel to it. It's not too light, it's not too heavy. It's made out of solid plastic, very solid plastic and metal right here. We got a little screen on the end to keep anything from getting in there. And I like the way this, oh, look at that, a removable nozzle on there if you needed to take that off for any reason. God knows why. And one of the features this thing has on here is a little kickstand on the back. So you can set it up. Maybe you got some wire, you put some heat shrink on there. I use heat guns for all kinds of stuff. The main thing I use it for is I'm a lifelong bachelor, and there's probably a reason for that. I use it to defrost my freezer. I'll show you that in a little bit. But see, we've got a low setting, not too loud. We've got a high setting. Sounds like a heat gun. Yeah, nice feel to it though. Feels real nice. I like the way that feels. But yeah. So if you're looking for an affordable heat gun with a good ergonomic feel to it, a couple extra nozzles for you to check out there. 5 foot long cable, lightweight, feels good, 1800 watts. It's got a variable on it and 2 different settings, high and low. Check out the SEEKONE heat gun. Check it out.